true to nature. Artificial bird. Perfect for crafting. Made in China. Mushroom bird with wire, American goldfinch. These decorative embellishments add charm and enchantment to any floral arrangement, craft project or home decor item. This package contains one 4 by 1.25 by 1.5 inch bird with wire. Warning: choking hazard, small parts. Not for children under 3 years. Imported. Top reviews from the United States. Nice little birdie. This bird was purchased to sit on a birdhouse that was made into a flower arrangement for our front porch. It is a close replica of the real bird, my wife's favorite bird. However, I do think that the price seems a bit high for the size of the bird. That is probably my biggest concern with this product. It looks nice and served the purpose that we needed it to do.